Writing annual goals that are truly specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound can be challenging. Today, I'll show you how AI can guide you through creating meaningful SMART goals that align with your institution's priorities. Welcome to 5 Minutes of Boodle. We're building a post-AI classroom 5 minutes at a time. BoodleBox is an AI platform that allows you to use multiple large language models, build custom bots, collaborate with others, all in one space. I'm Sarah Gibson, a college professor and an AI strategist, and I help individuals and institutions move from fearful of to flourishing with AI. Let's get started. Today, we'll be using Claude Sonnet, and we're going to have it ask us targeted questions, align our goals with institutional priorities, structure our SMART goals, and then generate specific tasks to make sure that we achieve our goals at the end of the year. Let's take a look at the original prompt. So if we take a look here, we can see that this original prompt asks AI to help us write our SMART goals. You need to put in what kind of job you have. You can change this if you don't work at a university. And then what are the categories of SMART goals that you're looking to develop? It's going to prompt the model to ask you questions one at a time and make sure that those SMART goals come directly down from the institutional goals. So let's go ahead and copy this prompt. You can find this prompt in the description below. I'm going to go ahead and customize this to my personal needs. So I'm a professor at a university, and I do want teaching, research, but maybe I don't want service, and I would like professional development. Now, everything else looks good to me, so I'm going to go ahead and hit return. And I can see that Claude starts to ask me questions. Now, I don't want to give it my college or school name, so I don't have to. And anytime there's a question that you think is irrelevant to what kind of goals you want to write, you just tell Claude to move on to the next question. So I'm going to go ahead and give Claude an answer. So Claude is just trying to get to know a little bit more about me so that it can make sure that it gives me the right answers back. Okay, for the sake of time, I've asked Claude to go ahead and give me my original teaching goal. So you can see it gave me a great goal here with some tactics. I can copy that out into my document for my direct supervisor, and then I can edit it to make sure that it's actually something that's achievable for me and in line with what I need to be doing in my role. Now let's do one more thing. Let's go ahead and save this chat so I can find it later. So here it is at the top. I'm going to click the 3 dots. I'm going to click rename chat. Now I can find that chat at any time. I can also search for the chat up here, or I can go ahead and move this chat into a folder so that it's going to be easily accessible anytime I need to find it. A few tips for this specific prompt. Make sure you know what your department's goals are. Be specific in your responses. The more specific you are, the better return you're going to get. Don't skip the reflection questions. Those are actually the best to make sure that you get a strong return. And review and adjust any AI suggestions. Remember, you're responsible for these goals at the end of the day. AI won't be completing them for you. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me. If you want to try Boodlebox for yourself, there's a code for 1 month free in the description below. Like and subscribe so you don't miss another episode. And no matter where you are on your AI journey, remember, start small, build with intention, and together we're shaping a post-AI classroom.